Hello everyone, this is Mimi from MimisCraftyShoppe and I am super excited. I have got my beebeecraft merchandise that came in just yesterday and I'm so excited to be able to share this with y'all. beebeecrafts contacted me and asked me if I would do a product share on their products and show some tutorials on how I use them and stuff, and I said yes, I would absolutely be happy to do it. I know a lot of crafters out there that are using their products and have watched some of their videos, love their stuff. So I want to show you the products that I got. But first of all, I want to tell you a little bit about beebeecrafts. They've been around for a while, and this is their website, beebeecraft.com. They do have jewelry beads and findings, which all kind of jewelry stuff making. Whether you are a bead maker, you make jewelry like necklaces or whatever, they've got everything you need. And they got the tools and the supplies to make stuff with. They got stream material that you can use, to make your products with. And they also have crafts, which I love because I am a crafter. I have not been too much into making jewelry, but I do use jewelry in my junk journaling. I make, tassels with them. I make dangles. I make boho jewelry with it and stuff. So I use a lot of things that can pertain to this. So I am so happy to be able to share the products. So I want to get started on that right quick. There are 3 things that I got this time. And I love the way these are packaged. They come all in a really great package. And everything was really great packed. So got that. And these are absolutely, I seen somebody else share these, and when I decided on my products, I was like, I had to have these, okay? I love appliques. I'm just love them. And so these right here are just absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait to use them in my junk journals. They're just beautiful. Look at that. The flowers are a little bent because they've been folded up, but all that'll lay down after you get to messing around with them. But what I wanted to try with these, and I will do a little tutorial when I'm doing this, is I want to maybe try to, do them up in different colors, like do the flower in one color, color the leaves. So that's my idea, and I love color, and they're beautiful just like this. If you don't want to use them that way, I think they're gorgeous. You can tea dye them, all kinds of stuff. Isn't that pretty? You can add laces under it, doilies. It's just endless possibilities what you can do with these. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Aren't they pretty? Oh, this one's like double-sided. That's cool. Could use it on that side or that side. That's neat. Look at that sheer. Isn't that gorgeous? So look at all this yummy goodness. Oh, and I got me a little butterfly. Love the butterfly. And these would be so pretty in gypsy or boho or botanical or a fabric journal. Just all kinds of goodies. Very, very beautiful. Love that. Okay. I have one thing about beebeecraft, if you're not familiar with them, they have called a love list where you can actually put products on your favorite list. And I promise you I have like 30 products on there. So I'm so excited. It was hard for me to decide. So, this is one of those wax things. And it's the little bumblebee one. So very, very pretty. And I'm going to be doing up some, for the envelopes or just on craft paper. You can do these up, and these are really nice to have. And I love doing the waxed seals. So that's great. And my last one is because I have recently kind of got into mixed media and doing a lot of textures and fun stuff like that. I absolutely love it. I wanted to get these stencils. And you get quite a few with these. So let me get this opened. right here. These are, I mean, you get, I don't even remember how many was in here, but you get 2, 4, say 6, I think it's 12, 8, 10, 12, oh my goodness, 14, 16 stencils. So each one of them, I'm going to show them. This one here is beautiful. And then this one, these are kind of flower look medallions. Kind of, and some of them look like kind of like doilies. I cannot wait to play with these. This is going to be so much fun. Oh my goodness. And these are really good too. The laser cut on them as well. This one's gorgeous. Oh, love that. Look at this one. These are so pretty. You can use these on corners of your paper when you're making your junk journals or you're crafting, whatever you do. That one's gorgeous. Oh, love this one. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that. This is one of my favorites. I love the medallion kind of look. That one's gorgeous. So pretty. I am so happy I got these. I really debated on this or the gold leafing stuff. I'm going to get that next time. Well, anyway, so like I said, if you'll look below on this, I will have all BB's Crafts, a link to their website, and a link to these products. And also, I wanted to share with you, if you are interested in promoting on YouTube, BB Craft has a program that's called Get Free Products by doing videos for us. Only you need is 100 subscribers. If you're interested, I'm going to put a link below that you can maybe, you might be interested in doing this. It's a way to get some really great products and to kind of get your feet in the water, to do it. And BB Craft is kind enough to do this. Like I said, it was easy to work with. I think the lady's name was Lisa that I worked with. And she was just super nice and really helped me to pick out stuff and get it all together. So there again, this is what all they have. And you need to check them out and get your list going. And I thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all check back with me. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some tutorials, some share products with y'all, and you can go along with me on this little journey of my BB Craft journey. All right, thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day.